Finally, you're here. I was getting worried where you. You're soaked. Let me get you a towel for a sec. When you said you were coming over, I thought you'd at least bring an umbrella. No, come in. I insist. I don't care if the floor gets wet. I can mop it up later. How are you holding up? Let me dry you off a bit. Hey, it's okay. I'm here. Hmm? It's fine. I'll change clothes later. It doesn't matter if they get wet. So it happened again, huh? How about you take a warm shower for now? We can talk more about it later. You're probably freezing, and the last thing I want to happen is you getting a cold. I have some clothes you can wear for the night. And you think I'd let you do that? You're not gonna stay in those clothes. My apartment, my rules. You take a warm, refreshing shower, and I'll give you clothes to wear for the night. Non-negotiable deal. Always so stubborn. I'm used to it. There are towels you can use from the shelf. Feel free to grab one. Go, hop in. Take all the time you need. Hey, you're fine with wearing a t-shirt and sweats, right? I'll leave them right here then. Also, would you like a warm beverage? I'll prepare something for us then. Feeling better? Take a seat. Drink it while it's still warm. So, I got the gist of what happened. You said it was another disagreement with your parents, but this time I'm assuming it's a whole lot worse. We've got the whole night. So, what happened next? It got that bad? Did they know you were going out? Did they at least try stopping you? I mean, I guess? After an argument like that, things would get really tense. I was really hoping for them to care more about you, though. Knowing that this isn't the first time you ran away from home, but nothing's changed since then. Oh yeah, I forgot to ask you, but have you eaten dinner yet? I can whip something up if you'd like. Or maybe you'd rather rest for tonight? I see. You'll have breakfast tomorrow though, okay? course you're taking the bed. Where else would you be sleeping? I still have some stuff to do, so I'll just head out so I won't bother you. I guess I can keep you company. I just have some homework I need to finish. Am I humming too loud? Yeah, you're staring at me weirdly, so it's either I was too loud or I sounded bad. You want me to keep going? No way. And that's done. I'll be seeing myself out then. Good night. Where am I going? To bed. I mean, more like the couch, but yeah, sleep. But you're the guest, so you take the bed. The couch is fine. It's not the best, but it certainly isn't that bad. No, I insist. Sleep together. Oh, you mean share the bed? I thought you meant. Never mind. Wouldn't that be weird though? Two friends sleeping in the same bed? You sure you're okay with it? If you say so. You have pretty cold feet. Blanket not enough for you? Is snuggling together something friends normally do? I guess. This is pretty nice though. Can you stop thanking me? If I found it to be a nuisance, then I wouldn't have let you spend some time here. Let alone let you sleep on my bed. Besides, I know you'll do the same for me. Should there be a reason why? Well, it's because I care about you. Among other things. I'll always be here for you. On good days or bad ones. To be a rock you can lean on, or someone you can share jokes with. That's an odd request. Just this one time, I'll hum you to sleep. Oh, yeah, sleep night. I mean, good. Well, what I'm trying to say is, good night. Yeah, sleep well.